Hey guys, it's Jess Brown. I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how you can more effectively post or actually pin blog posts to Pinterest. It just makes your images a lot more clicky to people on Pinterest, and hopefully you can get some repins and more traffic to your website. So the first step we're going to want to do is find an image that you post to your blog post. And I've already found one. I'm just going to go in, and it's just this email image envelope thing. And you snag it to grab it. That looks good. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Call it email 4. And the next part, we're going to want to make note of the title of my blog post, which is Tips on Emailing MLM Leads and Prospects. The next step we're going to want to do is go to Picmonkey.com, which is, if you don't know, it's a photo editing tool. It's free. It's on the internet. Very cool. Give it a try. So you just find your image, upload it to the website, and there it is. So now, as you can see, this is very boring. There's really nothing here to look at other than a really boring envelope. There's really nothing that would make you want to click on it. If you saw this on Pinterest, you'd probably just skim right by it. I know I would. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to put the title of the blog post right on this envelope, and hopefully just make it more enticing for people to want to click on. So we're going to come over here to this little symbol for text, and we're going to add text. And as you will see, if you come in here and do a little exploring, there are a whole lot of different text or fonts. A lot of really fun ones that I like. It's kind of hard to decide sometimes. But I'm going to go with Especially Me. And I've already forgotten the title of my blog. So, Tips on Emailing MLM Leads and Prospects. Okay, so we're obviously going to want to make that bigger. Probably not that big. We'll stretch it out first. See what we have to work with here. To do that, you just grab it and stretch. Very easy to use. You want it to be big enough where it's easy for people to read, because if people are going to strain to read, they're just going to go right by it. So I think that's probably big enough, and we'll just center it so it looks nicer. That looks good, and I think we'll find a different color for the font. Makes it more interesting. You want it to stand out, but still be probably a little bit too bright. Oh, that's too dull. That looks alright. Yeah, maybe I'll go with a red or something. That stands out even more. Now we're going to do something really cool. My favorite part. And this has worked really well for me. So you just click on this thing right here for shapes, and I choose this one right here, and it just adds it right away. And just stretch it out. I like to make it kind of big. And just center it. And make it orange. They've done studies, and orange is the most effective. And we're turning this into a button. And you'll see what I mean in a second. So we're going to add text to the button. Not text. We're going to go with the same text we had for the top part. And we'll center it. I don't know that button is centered. I'm losing it, I think. There we go. Grab the text. There. So as silly as this may seem, this click here now has been really effective for me. People have been clicking on it. I've been getting more traffic to my website, and even getting more comments on my blog posts. For whatever reason, people are just trained to click on buttons. So try it. It really does work. It's fun to use this Picmonkey, and you can, it gives you a chance to be a little bit more creative and make your blog posts stand out a little bit more on not only Pinterest, but your blog post as well. So from here, we're going to save it, and I want to show you how it looks on the blog post. This saves it to your computer again, so it saves it to the same name, email 4. So we're going to come back over to my blog post. Just going to upload the image. I'm just going to change that to my keyword. I can come back in and do the description for that later for optimization, but I just wanted to do the other part real quick, and we're just going to insert it into the post. So there it is there. I just want to save the draft. And from here, you can preview it. I'm not going to publish this right now, as I'm not going to publish till tomorrow morning, but I can show you what it will look like on my blog. So here we are. Looks pretty nice. So when people come here and they read my post, hopefully they will want to share it. And if they decide to share it on Pinterest, then when other people see it and they decide that they want to share it, it's a lot more, people want to repin it more, hopefully, because got the click here and the title of the blog, so people will know what to do. People need to have more direction on there than just a boring envelope. So keep that in mind when you make your images on your blog. It's just it's really simple to do. It doesn't take very long, and it's really effective to get traffic to your website. And just really quick, I wanted to show you another one that's actually on Pinterest that I did. and I have been getting a lot of traffic for this one still. I didn't put the button on this one, but it's still been pretty effective. So you can see the title is 3 MLM recruiting mistakes to avoid on Facebook. So that's just another example of one I did. I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.